Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your online shopping smoother. Today, we're tackling how to use an eBay gift card in 2025. With eBay's updates, using a gift card is easier than ever, but we'll walk you through it step by step so you can shop without any hitches. Let's dive in. First off, start by ensuring your eBay gift card is activated. Head over to the eBay website or app. Most cards activate automatically, but double-check by entering the card details on the eBay gift card page. Once that's done, check your balance. Log into your eBay account, go to the Account section, and select Gift Cards or Wallet to see how much you have to spend. Next, add the gift card to your account for seamless use. In your eBay settings, find the Payment Methods area and click on Add a gift card. Enter the card number and PIN if required. That's it. Now, for the fun part, shopping. Browse eBay as usual, add your desired items to your cart, and proceed to checkout. During payment, select your gift card from the options. eBay will automatically apply the balance to your total. If your purchase is more than the gift card amount, don't worry. Just add another payment method, like a credit card, to cover the rest. A quick tip. Always keep an eye on expiration dates, as eBay gift cards might have them in 2025 due to new policies. If you encounter any issues, like an unrecognized card, reach out to eBay's customer support through their help center. They're super responsive. There you have it. Using your eBay gift card is straightforward and saves you money on your next buy. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping. See you in the next video.